Welcome everybody to this lecture of linked list where you have to find out the middle of the linked list. Here you are given the head pointer of the linked list, that is it is pointing to the head node. Now if you were being asked to find out the mid value of an array, then you could have thought that I know the length of the array and I just can return the n by 2 value or n minus 1 by 2 value. But here when you're given a linked list and you have to find the mid value, you have to think in a different manner, because you're not being given the nth value over here. That means the length of the linked list is not given to you, but you are asked to find out the middle element, middle node. So if you see this linked list that is consisting of the values as 1 2 3 4 5, we can clearly see that 3 is the mid element of this entire linked list. Now for solving this question, you since you can't find it out using how you find the mid value in an array, you have to find it in a different way. I'm going to show you how strategically you have to find that middle node in the given question, in the linked list question. So for this you have to consider that let us have two pointers that is pointing to the head node. We will call it as list node fast pointer equal to head, and list node pointer slow that is also pointing to head. Okay, and now we have to think that this fast pointer is going to hop for 2 steps ahead of slow pointer, which is going to hop only by 1 step. But before doing that, we have to check that the whichever node the fast pointer is pointing to is having any value or not. Like, is it not pointing to a null pointer? So we'll get a check over here that fast pointer is not equal to null, and also the fast pointer next, the value of the next of the fast pointer is also not equal to null. This is slow and fast pointer technique. So now we will make the slow pointer move ahead by by 1 step. So slow of next, just we are moving it by 1 step ahead. So firstly, slow and fast pointer both were pointing to the first node. Now we have moved the slow pointer to the second node, that is it is pointing to 2 now. And now we will be pointing the fast node to 2 steps ahead, that is fast of next of next. Okay, so your fast pointer was pointing to 1 initially, now it is going to point to 3, and since the loop is going to terminate as soon as it finds out that fast of next is not equal to null, we have to iterate in that way. Iterate in that loop in that way. So now your slow pointer is pointing to 2, your fast pointer has happened to point to 4 now, and now when I'm going to fast not equal to null, yeah, fast is not equal to null, and fast is not equal to next, no, not equal to null. So here it is, yeah, it is actually null, but fast of next is not equal to null, it is not equal to null, so it will go inside the loop again, and now slow will have the value as slow equal to slow of next. Now slow will go to 3 and fast equal to fast of next. So 4 goes to 5 and then 5 ka next. But since after 5 there is no value, So it will be holding the value as null pointer. So after this step, when it again comes back to this while loop, it will check first not equal to null. Of course, now first is holding null. So that means it is not going to get inside the loop. And if you see, the slow is pointing to 3 now. So what we will return? We will return slow, and then we will run and check if it gives us the proper solution or not. So see, it has got accepted, and I'll submit my solution. So that's it for today, middle of the linked list. Thank you so much. Come back to my lecture again. I'll be coming with another linked list video because this is the linked list series that I'm going to proceed with. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed.